Hey, listeners, welcome back to yet another episode of the unboxing with the Bald AV guys. Today, we have a special treat for you guys. Crestron sent us the new, not yet shipping, soon to be shipping, the Not a Puck device that goes with the AirMedia 3000 and up series. So 3000, 3100, 3200, which is the newest one. They were generous enough to send us this box. We're going to be unboxing this with you. If you can see, the seals are still on. So hopefully, I am told that it's a plug and play device, right? This particular unit is supposedly an upgrade over the previous AirMedia devices. As you know, the previous AirMedias, the 100s, the 200s, you need to know the IP address and you need to go to the website. You got to type in the website or you got to download the app and connect that way, so on and so forth. This puck device,
not a puck.
What the Not Puck talks to is the AirMedia. What we have here today is the AirMedia 3200. It's very similar to the previous AirMedias. It's PoE plus. It's a HDMI out. There's a HDMI input, and it comes up on the screen. If it doesn't, well, we'll find out together what happens when it doesn't, right?
It'll come up because it's very user friendly.
It's very user friendly.
And the seal's still here. You can see we have not opened this yet. I'm going to attempt to open it with my nails.
Do you need a blade?
Oh, got it.
Oh, there you go.
Got one. Oh, they got double seal on here.
Oh, it's easy enough to open, so.
Let's see what we got here. We can fast forward through me doing this, I guess.
Nope. No, I think we should watch all of it. You need help with this? You got this?
Oh, there's paperwork everywhere. All right, here we go.
That's a nice sleek device.
Look at this.
That's really...
I mean, it is a puck.
Yeah. Well,
it's
not a puck.
Not a puck. Puck. All right, so if this truly is plug and play.
We plug it in and...
So USB-C. Mm-hmm. We should be able to plug it right into
really
my Mac.
There's nothing else there. It looks like it's just...
There's nothing.
Yeah.
It powers through the computer as well. So here we go.
Plugged in.
Let's see if we get anything. All right, I see lights.
Ooh, we have a Alexa type little spinny light.
Press the button. It's green.
Might take a second. Oh. Look at that.
Hey,
oh,
look at that. With a very excellent podcast that I hear gets rave reviews from its listeners. Cables, Coffee, and Kerbal is available on Spotify, Apple Music, and so on.
Subscribe right away.
Subscribe, like, comment.
So similar to the other one, you'll notice that the IP address is down here, but we did nothing but hit the one share button. So if you click the share button, what happens again? All right, that's pretty cool. And then you hit it again. How fast does it reconnect?
Let's see. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1.
That's pretty good.
3 seconds.
Pretty good.
So that is user friendly.
That is user friendly. That is very simple, straightforward to use. Basically, if you get a Fire Stick or if you get a Roku player, you have to put that on the wireless. You need to put that on your schools or corporations wireless. Instead, if you have the AM3 series, you put that hardwired into your network, and then this puck, not a puck, talks wirelessly to that device, eliminating the need for a user, a presenter that is not a part of the school or not a part of the Active Directory to be able to connect it to their laptop, hit the button, and wirelessly stream onto the TV. It's actually very straightforward. It works beautifully. But as of right now, you do need the AM3 series with the puck for this to work seamlessly.
Maybe we should ask our Crestron contacts if one day we could just plug the puck in and it'll go directly to the TV.
Kind of like the Fire Stick.
Or maybe we should make that up and be our $1 million idea.
Hey.
How many times do we have a guest speaker come onto campus for an event and we're fumbling with wires trying to figure out how to get their laptop up. We don't have the adapter.
Get a wireless account.
Nope. With this, we can literally take the USB-C end, plug it right into their device, and that's it. That Crestron takes it from there. Press the button, and we are good to go.
Yeah. That's it, folks. I would say this is Bald AV Guys approved. What do you say, Rich?
That's 2 thumbs up for me. Bald AV Guys approved.
Cool. So if you like that, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you watch us. We're going to be doing a lot more of these throughout the year. You don't want to miss out. You want to be hanging out with where all the cool kids are. We'll tell you where all the cool kids are. Make sure to subscribe, send us a like, comment.
Hey, and if you have something you want us to unbox, send a unit to our house, and we will get you on our YouTube channel and do an unboxing for you.
Yeah, not actually to our house though.
Not actually to our house, but we'll give you the address.
Yeah.
So, but take care.
Take care.